Hello everyone, welcome to Spider Academy. In this video, we will see how we can make use of download files feature. So quickly, let's get started. In order to open this, we will click on the top left corner of your screen, File menu, and then on Download Files. This window will open. This feature is used to update missing or corrupted files or incomplete files in your system. But you can leave this all to us. All you need to do is just call our support team and we will do the rest. Now we will have a quick look on this window. First, there is a list of servers to choose from. By default, it is 1. Then Get File List button will help you to fetch the file list from the below mentioned selected options. Overwrite existing is used when I want to overwrite any of the files that are already there in the system. That might be a corrupted or incomplete file. Let's know what these options are. EOD is selected when I want to download end of day data of last 15 days, and old EOD means any end of day data beyond last 15 days. After this, intraday. These are historical intraday files and are used when you see intraday chart of previous day or beyond. For an example, we can see on the chart on intraday 15-minute time frame, any intraday data beyond today's intraday is called historical intraday. If I want to update this data, I will select intraday and then click on get file list. I will have the list of files which I can choose from. And now old D4. These files are used to run action replay, which we have already discussed in our previous video. You can go through the video in order to know more about the action replay feature. And from here, you can download any missing or incomplete file of any trading session for which you want to run action replay. If I click Get File List button after selecting this option, it will fetch a list of D4 files from where I can select the files and download them. And now miscellaneous. Here you can find some recent trading sessions D4 files, or you can say action replay files. And from here we can also update today's market sessions intraday data if your software was not connected during the complete trading session. Let's see how. Let's consider today at 10 p.m. I have left the market, closed the software, and after 3:30 I want to check uh, and update today's files. What I will do is I will restart the software, make sure the intraday is not connected. So that is why I just restart the software in any condition and then click on overwrite existing, then miscellaneous, then get file list. The list will appear here. From here I can select, considering 21st as the session, I'll select the files ND4 and DD4 if I'm subscribed for NSE cash and future, and if I'm also subscribed for BSC live, then I'll select this file also. BD4 means BSC cache, ND4 means NSC cache, and DD4 means derivative data. Now I can click on download. These files will download. Once the files are downloaded, then you can go to file menu, intraday data manager, and then connect. Then you will be able to see the complete market sessions data. So that's it for now. Keep learning, keep earning. Bye bye.